Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new version of Firefox. Firefox 152 is now available, so Firefox 152. And if you want to have the new browser, you simply go to the upper right hamburger menu, go down to Help and About Firefox, and it's going to bring you to 152.0. What's new in this Firefox? Well, they have tweaked the look of the browser a little. They also have tweaked the menus so that things look better. So when you go into your settings or do other things, it's slightly different. Fonts have been changed a little, and so on. And it's in order to try and make the browser a little easier to go through menus and to use. The other thing that it also adds is that if you use the private mode, that which basically private browsing to prevent tracking and prevent others from knowing where and what you do on the PC, they have added a new feature that if a website, because it stops tracking and it stops different other features from working on web browsers to track you, some websites will not display correctly or can be broken or just refuse to show up. So if you really need to, you can actually tell it in their private browsing that you can enable temporarily the trackers on a certain website if it is not working well. Other feature is interesting is that the VPN, which I've tried and did comment here on the channel, has unlimited data until August 31st. So when I tested it, we had 50 gigabytes a month in VPN access. Well, now it's unlimited until August 31st. So this is the time to try it on if you want to use it, because it is now free and unlimited. But as they say, August 31st, so it means it's just a temporary thing, probably. So apart from that, more than 40 security flaws are fixed. Yep, more than 40 security flaws are actually fixed on the browser. So if you don't really care about the features, it's important to update to Firefox 152, at least for the security, to keep you safe. There's a lot of high severity security flaws that have been fixed, so this is important. It's the best way to stay safe over the internet. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.